have installed this small M8 nut and washer on the bottom of the Z-axis there and tightened it down as well as I could get it. Hopefully that holds. We'll see if the vibration knocks it loose. But for now, that should provide enough preload for these bearings. The Z-axis at least should be stable. So that's pretty good. I think what I'll do later today is I'll probably take off this weight cover here, get underneath it, and tighten it down real good with like getting a vice grip on the ball screw, you know, covering it with some leather, something to protect it, and then tightening this down. But until then, it seems to work pretty well. I've also set up my tenths indicator over here. So this one's a 0.05 inch travel 10 thousandths indicator. So every number is 1,000th. So its resting position is close to 0. You can see it's not quite, because this MDF is like flexible stuff. It's like, so if I really lean on this stuff, I can make it go down like as much as 10 thousandths. Fortunately, I don't do too much drilling or anything on this, so it's not a big deal. But I think later I'll try and test the flatness of the table and stuff with this. But for now, this is pretty good. So first I'm going to go up and down real quick. So I'm going to test the backlash and the repeatability of this thing. So right now I've got my Z-axis set to be, 4,000 millimeters a minute. That's pretty good. And I've got this thing set up to go 10 millimeters at once. So I'm going to go up first. So I'm going to break this thing up 10 millimeter. And down again. You can see where that indicator ends up. And it's pretty close to 0. It's 1/10,000th off, maybe. So I'm going to do this a few times. And we'll see the results there. So move it up and down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. So right now I've got this thing set at, 4,000 millimeters a minute is close to 160 IPM. I think I can push it harder, but I'm not going to risk it, just because I don't know how well that nut's going to hold up, to be quite honest. And also, if I go too fast, I might lose steps. But anyway, right there you can see I'm off maybe like a 10,000th, if that, about the same place where I was when I started, really. So this actually is boasting pretty good accuracy if it's able to get that kind of repeatability out of it, which I really like. I'm very happy with that. And for backlash testing, we know we're like 1/10,000 below 0, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this down to half a millimeter mode right here. And then it's going to go down, right there, and back up. And from there, we can see the backlash is almost invisible. Because if I'm going in the reverse direction to reach 0, right, you can see I've got maybe 2/10,000ths of backlash, if that. Probably close to like 1.5 10,000ths, which is absolutely fine for a Z-axis. It's not like I really need that unless I'm doing some kind of fancy, very, very ultra-fine 3D contouring kind of thing. So I'm pretty happy with that, because most of the time, you know, in the Z, you're really just caring about how you go down. The only time you really care about when you're going up is if you're doing like a backside chamfer. But what this is good for is it tells me that on the X and Y, I've probably got similar backlash characteristics. So that's good. But that's just the quick update for today. So, yeah. See you later.